Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Andrew, if you're new here. If you're not, you'll know that I haven't uploaded a video in like 2 years. So today we're unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I already opened mine. The blue doesn't really work for me. So this is the graphite, already opened and everything. There's the box, and yeah. So today we're unboxing not the graphite, but the Pacific Blue. Let's get started. So first, we're just gonna pop this open. The sound of the plastic is literally amazing. The box looks super clean. All right, here we go. And there's the phone. This is the Pacific Blue, and it looks really good. Wow, it looks so good. The front looks normal. This is the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is the graphite iPhone 12 Pro Max. So the colors are they look super good. The blue is obviously blue, but I didn't get the blue because I didn't think it would match with everything. So yeah, that's my reasoning for not getting the blue. Inside the box, we have, these are the two boxes for the graphite and the Pacific Blue. Inside, you have your SIM eject tool. It looks like this, in case y'all didn't know. We have Apple stickers and some literature. Of course, if you already know, or if you don't, there is no power adapter in the box. It just comes with your Lightning to USB-C cable. I was supposed to get MagSafe, but UPS lost my package, so that'll have to be in another video, because UPS is great. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case. It's the Baltic Blue. It matches my Apple Watch Series 6 and the leather link. Ooh. There's some paperwork inside. It has the MagSafe rings inside, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put the Pacific Blue inside, see how it looks. I bought this case for my phone, so we're gonna see what it looks like with the graphite. Here's my phone. I already put a screen protector on it and set it up and everything. So yeah, when you finish setting up your phone and you put a case inside, you get this little animation, and it looks like that. And it shows you the color of the case, and it's super cool. And the reason why I got the graphite was because it matches with more case colors. So what I have coming is the saddle brown leather case, and I also have the leather wallet, the MagSafe wallet. Those are back ordered until like December, so I will make another video when that comes. So the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a 47% larger sensor with sensor shift technology on the wide angle lens. It's amazing. It also has LiDAR, which enables you to get 3D scans or more accurate autofocus at night. Basically everything is super new. I upgraded from my 7 Plus, so everything is really new for me. I'll have a separate video about the cameras and a final review out in the next couple weeks. Keep an eye out for those, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.